What if I told you that a simple, natural superfood could help you reverse diabetes? It sounds too good to be true, right? But science is uncovering some incredible benefits of moringa that could change the way we manage blood sugar levels. Moringa, also known as the miracle tree, has been used for centuries for its powerful healing properties. And now, research suggests that it may help lower blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and even support diabetes reversal. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share the best ways to use moringa to get the maximum health benefits. Let's dive in. Diabetes is a growing health concern, affecting millions of people worldwide. The biggest challenge? Managing blood sugar levels and insulin resistance. Most treatments focus on medications, but what if nature already has a solution? That's where moringa comes in. Why moringa is a game changer for diabetes? Moringa is packed with nutrients, but what makes it truly special for diabetics are its bioactive compounds like isothiocyanates, quercetin, and chlorogenic acid. These compounds work together to regulate blood sugar levels naturally. Moringa has been shown to lower blood sugar naturally. Multiple studies have found that moringa can significantly reduce fasting blood sugar levels. In one study, diabetic patients who consumed moringa saw a 21% drop in blood sugar after just one meal. The secret lies in its unique ability to slow down carbohydrate absorption and enhance insulin function. It also boosts insulin sensitivity. One of the major causes of type 2 diabetes is insulin resistance, when your body stops responding properly to insulin. Moringa helps increase insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your cells to absorb glucose and prevent dangerous blood sugar spikes. Moringa is rich in fiber, which helps control glucose spikes. Unlike processed foods, moringa contains soluble fiber, which slows down sugar absorption in the bloodstream. This means fewer sugar crashes and more stable energy levels throughout the day. Chronic inflammation plays a huge role in worsening diabetes. Moringa contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect your pancreas, the organ responsible for producing insulin. By reducing inflammation, moringa may restore normal insulin production and help reverse diabetes naturally. Moringa is packed with essential nutrients for blood sugar control, including vitamin C, magnesium, and antioxidants. Vitamin C supports insulin function and reduces oxidative stress. Magnesium is crucial for regulating blood sugar and preventing insulin resistance. Antioxidants protect cells from damage caused by high blood sugar. How to use moringa for maximum benefits. Now that you know how powerful moringa is, let's talk about the best ways to use it for diabetes reversal. Moringa powder is the easiest way to include it in your diet. Simply add 1 to 2 teaspoons to smoothies, soups, or tea. Drinking moringa tea daily can also help regulate blood sugar levels naturally. Just steep moringa leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. If you prefer a quick option, moringa capsules provide a concentrated dose of its powerful nutrients. You can also add fresh moringa leaves to salads, or cook them like spinach for a natural boost. To get the best results, combine moringa with a healthy, low-carb diet and regular exercise. Moringa is more than just a superfood, it's a natural weapon against diabetes. By lowering blood sugar, improving insulin sensitivity, and fighting inflammation, moringa has the potential to help reverse diabetes when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Are you ready to try moringa for yourself? Let me know in the comments below if you've used moringa before or if you're excited to start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more natural health tips. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.